So I'm going to be marking the top location as well due to the style throwing a shoot bolt up and down. You can use blue tape to see the impact, or you can use silicone or even paint just to mark the location. It's very important to have the door locked when you start to engage the shoot bolts. If it's off in any way when you go to engage for a hurricane, you could be missing the location. It will be very hard to throw. So having the door locked when you make your marks for the holes to drill is very important. I'm going to be taking the removable twin point and engaging it. So for this, you definitely want to use eye protection. You are going into a plate that is screwed in up top, so there's going to be a lot of metal shavings coming down right on you. I recommend starting at a lower bit, a smaller bit, and then working your way up to 3/4. If you immediately start from at 3/4, the 3/4 bit will run, and this needs to be pretty precise. If it's off, the system will not lock. So this is the shoot bolt receiving cup. It'll go into the 3/4 inch hole that you drilled out. Now, depending on the substrate that you are going into, you need to use the appropriate screw. For this, I'm going to be using a wood screw, and the hole will fit nice with a wood screw. If you go into concrete, you need to make sure that you drill that out, that little hole there, to a 1/4 inch to accommodate the Tapcon. It gives it better structure.